English vocabulary in use for pre-intermediate and intermediate levels. Lesson number 1. Weather. Noun, adjective. Fog, foggy. Cloud, cloudy. The cold, cold. Ice, icy. Sun, sunny. Wind, windy. Snow, snowy. Rain, wet. Verbs and phrases which you can use to describe weather. The sun is shining. The wind is blowing. It's snowing. It's raining. Number 1. It was very cloudy this morning, but the sun came out after lunch. Came out means appeared. Number 2. The accident happened in thick fog. Thick means very bad, very dense. Number 3. We had some heavy rain at the weekend. Heavy rain, a lot of rain. Opposite, light rain. Number 4. There was a strong wind when we were on the boat. Strong, a lot of force. Number 5. The wind has blown all the apples off the tree. It rained in the morning, but the sky was clear by lunchtime. Clear means no clouds. And number 6. It's been extremely cold today. Extremely, very cold. Can also be used with hot and windy. Let's talk about rain and storms. Number 1. For heavy rain, we often use the verb pour. To pour with rain. It poured this afternoon. Look, it's really pouring now. Number 2. For short periods of rain, we use the noun shower. We had a couple of showers this morning. A shower can be light or heavy. Number 3. A storm is heavy rain with strong wind. A hot spell sometimes ends with a thunderstorm. And number 4. Typical thunderstorm sequence, but simple. It becomes humid, the air feels warm and wet. You hear thunder and see lightning. Lightning. Heavy rain follows. Temperature. Freezing, chilly, cold, cool, cool down, mild, warm up, warm, hot, boiling. It's very hot, warm, cool, cold today. It's freezing, boiling, informal. It's getting colder. It's getting warmer. Today is colder than yesterday. Number 1. Cool can mean slightly cold in a negative way. We've had a cool summer. Or slightly cold in a pleasant way, in a positive way. The pool water was lovely and cool. Number 2. Mild is often positive, meaning less cold than usual. It's been a mild winter, comfortable, cozy winter. Let's have some practice. Exercise 1.1. Match the words on the left with the words on the right. So, foggy, morning. Cloudy, weather. Cloudy, day, why not? Cold, evening. Cold, also possible, day. Icy, roads. Sunny, day. Windy, evening. Windy, weather. Snowy, day. cloudy sky can be. So you see, we can have a lot of different combinations. Exercise 1.2. Write short sentences to describe the weather conditions in each picture. So picture number 1, it's foggy. Number 2, it's windy. Number 3, it's snowy. Number 4, it's sunny. It's sunny. I would also like to say cloudy, perhaps also possible. It's sunny and cloudy. Exercise 1.3. Complete the sentences with the correct words. We have word bank. So, exercise number 1. We had really thick this morning. Fog. Number 2. I don't mind wet weather if it stays quite mild. I just hate the cold. Number 3. We had a heavy this morning, but it only lasted a few minutes. Perhaps shower. Number 4. It was with rain when we left the house. It was pouring with rain. When we left the house. Number 5. It was -10 degrees in New York yesterday. It is often below. In winter, it's cold. It is often below 0. 0 in winter. It's freezing. Freezing. But we do not have this 0 word. Freezing. Let's add it. 0. I just forgot about this word. Number 6. It's getting very humid. We might have a thunderstorm later. Number 7. It was cloudy and grey this morning, but when the sun out, it was quiet. Came out, it was quite bright. Bright. Number 8. What's the temperature today? It feels much colder than yesterday. And number 9. It was hot sitting in the sun, but under the beach umbrella it was nice and cool. Cool. I forgot about cool and degrees. So, this is it for today. Thank you for being with me, guys, and I will see you next time for the second lesson.